Good morning everyone. Welcome back to today's class. Today we'll start grammar unit 23 punctuation. Let's start. Today we'll start grammar unit 23 punctuation. Now what is the punctuation? Yes, in this unit students will learn the use of some common punctuation marks and capital letters. And what are the punctuation? Punctuation is the use of different marks like comma, full stop, question mark, exclamation mark, etc. to make the meaning of a sentence clear. One by one we'll study about these punctuations. First, the full stop. This mark is full stop is used to mark the end of a statement or a command. It also follows most abbreviations. As example, India is a great country, at last, full stop. Respect your nation, it's a command, at last, full stop. He is the MLA of our area, at last, full stop. And with abbreviation MLA we used full stop. Then question mark, this is the question mark, is used at the end of a question. Example, why were you absent yesterday? Who is your favorite singer? In both the sentences at last we are using question mark as we are asking questions. Then the exclamation mark. This mark is exclamation mark, is used when we express some strong feeling. It is used at the end of an exclamation. As example, wow, what a catch. After wow we are using exclamation mark. Well done, exclamation mark. What a pretty dress, exclamation mark. Then the comma. This is the mark, its comma is used to indicate the shortest pause, one. Then it separates three or more single items on a list. Then it is used to separate different parts of an address. It is used to separate some expressions like yes, no, oh, however, etc. It is used just before quotation marks. As example, I brought carrots, cabbages, peas and mushrooms. Here we are using commas to separate these things. Ritu, come here. We are addressing Ritu, come here. After Ritu we are using comma. Yes, comma, I am ready for the test. Priya said, comma, then quotation mark, my favorite color is blue. This mark is closed. The apostrophe. This mark is apostrophe mark, is used to show ownership of an object. It also shows contraction. As example, this is Aditya's mansion. Here apostrophe S, Aditya's mansion. He is Mr. A.N. Jha's son. I am proud of his achievements. Here apostrophe. Why don't you meet him? Again apostrophe. Now the quotation marks. This is quotation mark, and we used to say inverted comma also are used to enclose what is said directly. They enclose the exact words spoken by a person. They are also called inverted commas. See example, the teacher said, comma, then inverted comma started. Well begun is half done. Full stop and comma closed. Then Swami Vivekananda said, comma, then quotation mark or inverted comma started. Education is the manifestation of the perfection already in man. Full stop and inverted comma closed. Then I said to her, comma, inverted comma started, why do you wake up so late? Question mark and inverted comma closed. I hope you all got this. Now we'll do exercise. First, insert punctuation marks wherever required. One by one we'll do and we'll insert punctuation marks. First, children, comma, stop talking, at last full stop. Second, Raju, why are you late? At last question mark. Third, Aarti, comma, Sangam, comma, Mona and Ashu are friends. Full stop. Fourth, wow, exclamation mark, look at the fireworks. At last full stop. Fifth, this is Mr. Kapoor's office. Mr. full stop, then Kapoor's. Here we'll use apostrophe, office, after office, full stop. Of course, exclamation mark, I will help you. At last full stop. Driver said, comma, inverted comma started, the road is blocked. Full stop, inverted comma also closed. 8. I said to him, comma, inverted comma started, take the shortcut. Full stop, inverted comma closed. No, comma, I don't know you. At last full stop. Alas, exclamation mark, his grandpa is no more. Full stop. 11th one, where is the India Gate? Question mark. 12th, can I wear Seema's dress? Seema's, here apostrophe and after dress question mark. Rajni, please draw the curtains. Full stop. Do you write neatly? Question mark. Have you seen the latest episodes of Art Attack? Question mark. 16th, Nitin, comma, where is my cardboard? Question mark. 17th, Jia said, comma, inverted comma started, my mother is a doctor. Full stop, inverted comma also closed. Sapna's way of talking is very impressive. Full stop, and here Sapna's apostrophe. So, you all will do this work in your grammar book with neat and clean handwriting. Now we will learn use of capital letters, where we will use capital letters. So one by one we'll do. The first word of a sentence begins with a capital letter. Example, my mother takes green tea. My, M capital. She goes for a walk after dinner. She, S capital. Second, proper nouns begin with a capital letter. Examples, Itika went to the Golden Temple at Amritsar. Proper noun, Itika, E. Golden Temple, G and T. At Amritsar, A. The Hindu is a very popular newspaper. The Hindu, it's a proper noun, so we'll use capital. He went to Sri Lanka in December. He, H capital, Sri Lanka, S and L capital, December, D capital. Now, important words in the title of a book, movie or story begin with a capital letter. See, my experiments with truth. My M experiments E with truth, T, is a famous book. Here you are watching capital letters. Reader's Digest is my favorite magazine. Here Reader's R Digest D is capital. Now Tare Zameen Par is an inspirational movie. So Tare, T capital, Zameen, Z capital, Par, P capital. I also liked watching Home Alone, H and A capital. Fourth, the pronoun I is always written in capital. See, Rima and I went for a walk. I, although it is coming in between, but you will write it always in capital. I love to see flowers and mountains. I is capital. Then we capitalize the first word of a salutation and the first word of a complimentary clause in a letter. If you are writing any letter, if you are writing a letter, then the first word of a salutation and the first word of a complimentary clause, you will use always capital letter. See, dear Anushka, dear D capital, Anushka A capital. Here yours, Y capital, sincerely. Okay, now we'll do given exercise. Use capital letters wherever required. See, first one, Delhi is a big city, said Meena. Here Delhi, D capital, because it's a proper noun. So we'll use Delhi is a big city, D capital, said Meena, M capital of Meena. Then I need some milk for making custard. Here I will be capital. Then the gateway of India is in Mumbai. See, the T capital because it's a starting. Gateway of India particular. So we will use G capital for gateway of India, I capital. Because Mumbai is a proper noun, so we will use M capital for Mumbai. The gateway of India is in Mumbai. Fourth, my birthday falls in June, said Aditya. Here my M capital, birthday falls in June, J capital, said Aditya, A capital. Then fifth, what are you doing, Ashu, said Preeti. See, what are you doing, Ashu? What? Beginning of the sentence, so W capital. Then are you doing, Ashu? Ashu is the name, particular person. So proper noun, A capital, said Preeti, P capital. Then sixth, well, I am making some phone calls, Gunjan, replied Ashu. See, well, W capital, I capital, making some phone calls, Gunjan, G capital, replied Ashu, A capital. Then, what a lovely day, said Raju. What? W capital, a lovely day, said Raju, R capital. Then, William Shakespeare and John Keats were great authors. William Shakespeare, W capital, S capital, and John Keats, J capital, K capital, were great authors. At last, full stop. Then Shahjahan built the Red Fort. Shahjahan, proper noun, so S capital, built the Red Fort, the monument, so R and F both will be capital, Red Fort. 10th, I said it is very cold in Srinagar. I capital, I said, then it. I capital, for it, I capital is very cold in Srinagar. Srinagar is the name of particular place, proper noun, so S capital. Now, this one will also you will do with neat and clean handwriting in your grammar book. That's all for today. All of you do the given work in your grammar book with neat and clean handwriting. See you in the next class. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Bye. Bye-bye.